Hello, my dear children. Very good morning to all of you. How do you do? Hope you're all well and good. This is our EVS class for grade 2. What we are going to see in today's class is we are going to see the classwork part for lesson 9, Our Green Friends. Lesson 9, Our Green Friends. Children, tell me, what are plants? Plants are living things. Plants need food and water to live. Plants are our green friends. We see different types of plants around us. Plants are helpful to us in many ways. Plants give us vegetables, fruits, oil, wood, greens, flowers, etc. The biggest gift of plants to us is that they clean the air. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants clean the air. Plants need food, water, sunlight, and air to live. There are many types of plants. Some plants are called trees. Coconut tree, banyan tree, neem tree are some examples. Trees are very big, tall, and have woody trunks. They are called trees. Some plants are called shrubs. Shrubs have hard branches like lemon, rose, and henna plants. Some plants are called herbs. Examples: mint, parsley, coriander. These plants have green and thin stems. They are said to be herbs. Some plants are said to be climbers. They climb on other plants or any frames. Examples: money plant, grapevine. These plants climb on other plants like this. Some plants are called creepers. Creepers lie on the ground like this. Examples: pumpkin and watermelon. They are said to be creepers. A plant has different parts. This one is leaf. This is fruit. This one is flower. This part is stem. This part is root. Leaf, fruit, flower, stem, root. These are parts of a plant. We eat the leaves of these plants like spinach, methi, lettuce, and mustard. We eat the roots and stems of these plants like beetroot and carrot. Then potato are some examples. We eat the seeds of these plants like coriander, fenugreek, tea plant, rice. We eat the fruits of these plants like apple tree, mango tree, banana tree. So from these plants
We eat the fruits. Plants give us beautiful flowers like lotus, rose, jasmine, marigold. So we must take care of plants. Plants make our home and neighborhood beautiful. Shall we see the classwork now? Lesson 9. Our green friends. Hard words. First one, flowers. 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 Second one, perfumes. 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 Third one, medicine. 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 Fourth one, trunks. Trunks. Fifth one, cotton. Cotton. Sixth one, sunlight. Sunlight. Seventh one, shrubs. Shrubs. Eighth one, herbs. Herbs. Ninth one, climbers. Climbers. Tenth one, creepers. Creepers. 11th one, potato. Potato. 12th one, pumpkin. Pumpkin. Now answer the following. First question, write any 4 things that plants give us. Write any 4 things that plants give us. Answer, wood, oil, rubber, fruits. Wood, WOOD, wood. Oil, OIL, oil. Rubber, RUBBER, rubber. Fruits, FRUITS, fruits. Wood, oil, rubber, fruits. Second question, what are called herbs? What are called herbs? Some plants are very small with soft and thin stems. They are called herbs. Some plants, plants, are very small, small, with soft, soft and thin stems, stems. They are called herbs. Some plants are very small with soft and thin stems. They are called herbs. Third question, write the uses of root. ROOT, root. It fixes the plant to soil. FIXES, fixes the plant to soil. SOIL, soil. Second one, it absorbs water from soil. Absorbs, ABSORBS, absorbs water, WATER, water from soil. It fixes the plant to soil. It absorbs water from soil. Fourth question, what are called trees? TREES, trees. Some plants are very big, tall and have woody trunks. They are called trees. Some plants are very big, B-I-G, big, tall, T-A-L-L, tall, and have woody, W-O-O-D-Y, woody, trunks, T-R-U-N-K-S, trunks. They are called trees. Some plants are very big, tall, and have woody trunks. They are called trees. Fifth one, draw a plant and label it. Yes, you have to draw a plant like this. And you need to label that. Like this one is bud. This is flower. This is leaf. This one is fruit. This part is stem. This part is root. So these are all the parts of a plant. Children, I'll send this classwork as PDF to you. You have to write this neatly in your classwork net. Okay children, thank you. We'll meet you in the next class.